2 children's tickets, please.
Of course, here you are.
Thank you so much. Look at the tracks, dears. The train will be here soon.
Wow, it's shiny.
Careful now, hold on tight.
I will, Mommy.
Good girl. Now you, sweetie. Okay, settle in now.
Luggage is secure.
Yay, the train's moving.
It is. Look at the fields.
So beautiful.
Wow, look at all the green hills.
Yes, it's beautiful, isn't it?
So many clouds.
Perfect day.
Remember to sit properly, dears.
Wow, look at the water. It's sparkling.
It's beautiful.
A very long bridge.
Wow, look at all the houses and cars. So many cars.
Yes, many families live in this town.
Are we there yet? I see trees.
Almost, just a little longer.
All right, carefully now.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Watch your step.